worse. I thought there's a good chance that half of that plane will not go back to Scotland.
Having that, Dave. You're having that.
Amsterdam, baby!
Tell me that the love is gone. You needed me 'cause you found someone. You should have told me what I know.
Yes!
I could have fixed it.
It's not fucking easy,
You want my more. You never loved no one. You're an animal.
What did you believe was a cousin? Call me a fat dick.
You fucking are a fat dick, mate!
Again!
Ah, you fat dick! Ah, dick!
He's a fat bastard!
Fair point. Makes a fair point of this.
What do you think about the Wolves?
I see 2 down, 3 to go.
Fair point. Fair point. Makes a fair point. What he said.
He came across well there, man.
What he said.
He came across well there.
Fair point. Makes a fair point. Well, he makes a fair point.
I love it, Dan.
Fair point. Settle. You struck me as a bit fair point.
You never loved no one. You're an animal.
This is the best weekend of our lives. So far. This is the money.
He's lying, I've had far better. Actually, I had a
How much is it for a blowjob again?
I had a foot job a couple of nights ago that I was thinking maybe could have been the best day of my life.
You see my bird's feet?
So, it's not so much that here, food fetish, man. But if I'm pulling this bird, and I'm getting on with her and that, and she wraps her feet, and like, her big toe happens to not be her big toe, and it's like that. Kind of like, that's her big toe, and that's the second toe. I'm like, Celtic, fuck me.
Don't even look at my face, man. I've not been to Hilmy, I've not been to the hotel yet.
How's Amsterdam going so far, man?
It's awesome. I've been fucking everywhere. I've been fucking walking about Amsterdam since 7 o'clock this morning. I've been
one of these.
I've been so far out.
You've been doing that.
I've been doing a wee bit of this, a wee bit of that, a wee bit of this.
Push my nose. He's a little
Ah, fuck knows, man. Where have you been all night?
Who you calling a psycho?
Whoa!
1, 2, 3, 4. Dead night, down on his log, he's down on his dead. He's a provoked man in the dead night, waiting to chart his life away. He's a one-hit wonder, here comes the thunder, struck by lightning, 6 feet under. One-hit wonder, here comes the thunder, struck by lightning, 6 feet under. Take me far away. It's a full-blown moon and the wolves are howling. Now this man's shooting in the graveyard. Well, he was last seen, the wolves are howling. It's Halloween. He's gone to the graveyard. He's gone to the grave. He's gone to the graveyard. He's gone to his grave. He's a broke man. Down on his luck, down on his day. He's a provoked man in the dead night, waiting to chart his life away. He's a one-hit wonder, here comes the thunder, struck by lightning, 6 feet under. One-hit wonder, here comes the thunder, struck by lightning, 6 feet under. Take me far away. Yeah, he's a broke man.
Alright.
Who's gonna fuck me tonight?
You having that?
Who's gonna fuck me tonight? That's what it is, eh? Right, you can. She said she was 16. You know what I mean?
They're twins, but they've not fucked each other, have you? Please tell me about it.
Who's the twins? Who's the twins?
Let me breathe, come on.
I love them. I love them. I have no idea which Donald Stewart. Fuck, they look the same to me. Fuck up.
Basically the same guy. Suicide right on the stage. Would it satisfy it? Would it name it near? Would it help ease the pain? Ease the pain. I know It's only rock and roll, but I like it.
I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a facial structure. I mean, he's got worse skin than you, but...
Well, no, you're right.
But I do think
I
it
like
is.
Brian Mikey,
I do think it is.
Mikey.
I do think there's a more sexuality about it, I'm afraid to say, and that's being honest, you know what I mean? I don't want to hurt your feelings, but that's a fact.
I don't have feelings.
I think it's a well-known fact as well.
Sorry.
So there he is, right on cue. I mean, absolutely gorgeous.
So, the beautiful twin, and
there's nothing going on between us, honestly. I mean, I said those things before I knew.
it's kind of nice actually.
But talk about sex.
Well, Sneezy looking like Brad Pitt.
So going on now, that's what we talking about.
Vegas, baby! Oh, Vegas!
Bring it down.
Vegas, baby! Who's walking who, mate? Kyle, I'm really looking forward to our day. I loved you in The Godfather.
I loved you in The Godfather.
I'm the bomb and a fan of that flick. I loved you in The Godfather, man. Oh, Einstein, you were the bomb and Back to the Future, mate. Talk me through that theory again, Einstein. You were the bomb and feather jet flick. Hi, I'm the after, he's the before. The crash. Don, you know, where's your 10-second car? You stole a car that wasn't on the list. What's going on? Who the fuck is this bitch? Who the fuck is she? The fuck out of that guy's head?
Yeah, just don't. Excuse me, yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, tell Tiny Tim I won't be home for Christmas.
Welcome to hell.
As you can see, like, started in the kitchen and I thought I'd put a wee bit of red wallpaper and everything, and I thought, like, oh, the chair there, you know, it's my chair. It used to be owned by Keith Richards. They say it, I don't think it did. It didn't. Alright, folks. So in Britain, a zebra crossing means like stop and let the pedestrians walk past. Here it kind of means if you feel that bad, just kill yourself. Get them first, they'll get you. You go to McDonald's and they've got the gherkin sauce. Get the Big Mac sauce. It's like gherkin, it's called gherkin sauce. It's the Big Mac sauce when they eat it like barbecue sauce. Crazy hair. Shit, that's like it. Right. We're a band, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. He's actually the Godfather.
It's a presence.
I cannot stand that cunt.
Who the fuck is this?
At this point, they don't want to fucking bother
because I fucking swing for fuck all that. Last time when you get in the taxi, you mongrel.
No, you rattled me. So that's the Ickies, right? We were friends again.
Oh, that Ickies, man.
Friends again! Why did you not want me to come with you like this? I thought the taxi was full. I did not want you to come, you fucking... You didn't...
Douchey, TJ, calm down. Thank God.
The camera loves me and I love the camera.
Dave, man, Einstein, you're a reasonable kind of guy. I just seen you stare at a pigeon for 5 minutes straight. I'm thinking, is that guy alright in the head? Is he actually alright in the face? You pigeon fucker. Still got your pigeon's eye.
And you're here to see the Wolves, are you excited?
I've seen many things.
You're making sure what you want in life, man. You know what I mean? I don't know what to say. Rock and roll, funk, it makes every experience that you've ever had. Life wouldn't be anything without decent music.
Music for me, and I love music. I've been involved with music all my life.
musically it's from the heart, and it means a lot.
Because I love the Wolves.
This is my first time witnessing the Wolves.
Why else would I come?
Why do you love them?
Because they're amazing. Stop videoing me, I hate them.
I've been before a couple of times, I know what the crack's all about, so I wanted to come across and see my pals go fucking mad for it, so I get the chance to go mad for it as well. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to fucking hammer in the Wolves! Come on, you bastards! Come on! Fucking mad for it, mate. That's what it's all about.
You got your mama's ass.
But at the end of the day, the Wolfpack are here, and we're here for a good time. This is a business like any other business. You have to work fucking hard at any business that you do. You have to take it seriously and honestly, just keep ploughing on ahead, please. Keep improving those songs, get tighter and tighter, better and better. You've got a chance, you've got a real chance, right?
That's why we're here. That's why we're in fucking Amsterdam, baby!
It's the difference between being a band that you listen to and you've listened to and you've grown up with, and you learn the lyrics yourself and you have a bit of passion for them, and then you go to the gigs, you spend your hard earned, and if you invest that amount of time and energy into a band, then you're showing your love for them, and when people come back and end up singing your songs, that's the biggest honour. They're not just coming because you're their friend or you've met before, they're coming because the words mean something.
It feels pretty good, like, you know how it feels, man, you're here, it feels great.
What's it like going to a Wolves show?
Crazy, yeah?
Why is it crazy?
Because you're with this guy. Shoot McKay.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Did they put on a good show?
Sorry,
Don't be sexy. Don't be sexy. Where's the sexy man? There's a sexy guy in the band.
Billy, what's your thoughts on the patter?
He has come on unbelievably since he started playing in a band. Jason Duffy's astonishing. I mean, that guy basically took up the drums because he couldn't get anybody else to do it better than him. And that's his,
Big deal right here.
that speaks volumes. He's a great guitarist.
Nailed it! 5 double whiskies it.
Can I just say, this man's a fucking legend. He's on inspiration. You old baby! You old baby!
How old is that?
Yes! The Mr. Spurs.
Maybe your eyes, son, like that. Maybe your eyes, rise up, boys. Show some respect.
This is a comedy series happening.
Yes!
Crazy, absolutely crazy.
Like presents coming up.
That we're maybe shooting a documentary here, rock and roll. We're in a supermarket. For us.
Massive presents here.
Sorry, no pictures, no pictures. Massive presents here.
Presents here. Massive fucking presents. Coming through. Let him breathe, come on.
Love you, Harry Potter.
Come on, let him breathe, come on. Let him breathe. Expecto Patronum. Let me breathe, let me breathe. Let's breathe, man. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe, Dave. Let me breathe, man. Come on. Let me breathe. Come on, let me breathe. Let me breathe. Let me breathe, please. Let me breathe. Come on. Massive presents, fucking massive present. Let me breathe! The arsehole's got the same t-shirt on. Yes! We're in massive deal here. Quite a big deal. Get Pat! We're big deals. We're quite big deals. Massive presents here. See you soon. Massive deal, yeah. Let me breathe, Dave. Massive presents, yeah.
Coming through, presents coming through.
Massive presents. Let us breathe, please.
Let us breathe.
Big deal, coming through. Don't touch me, you can't afford, pal.
Do you know who this guy is?
Heartless bastard.
Do you know who this guy is? Do you know who this guy is?
Basically, if you're investing all your energy into your product, then it makes it all worthwhile, because It's not about money, it's not about earning. It's about growing the seed. So you plant the seed and it gets a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger and people start catching on. Money's not the motivation. The motivation is like your art. And you can't put a price on that.
Dude, where the fuck have you been? Some guy was trying to fuck me. Some guy was trying to fuck me and he was trying to pay for it. That's what I'm saying. He's trying to pay Pat to fuck me.
Well, how much?
He hasn't even seen it. It could be
Clearly not enough because I'm still in fucking the money.
You can have an
I can suck a dick. 50 plus. You should steer us as lube.
I'll have to agree. I'm going to have to agree.
You actually told me that, you fuck.
Sorry about the
Up this afternoon at the hotel.
Get fucked with no one else needs to know. Where's the red lights? Where's the red lights now?
Lead the way to the red light.
Forward, son of a bitch. You old sailor. You old sailor.
Buy me a Rasta hat and then you can get one.
You get it? You get a gear.
Wait. Gotta leave.
Amsterdam. I fucking love this fucking city.
I'm not even supposed to be here today.
You're not very good at bass. I don't know, maybe like the Wolves have a lot of potential. Maybe if they had a different bass player, like they could become the next Oasis or something. I don't know, have you ever thought maybe about quitting?
I'm sorry, Jesus.
No, I'm alright.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, blow me like you were the Johnny Depp and just blow me away.
Shut up.
Fair point. Lifting, we could be lifted. We could be lifted. Like it's coming, it's good, it's good. Easing on a Sunday morning. You can have that for free, that one.
That most of you will never have met before, but he was my first boss and he is incredible.
You heard that from me first, Dave.
You ever tried the American Spanish?
What's up, man?
Can a bit of a line of when I'm still out of the way. Gives a kiss. You recognise me? Blind Mikey for Big Brother? That's fucking piss, guys.
Is it what you expected so far?
No, because I expect just getting started. Just getting fucking started.
It's the first of many, my man. The first of many. Just the beginning. The belonging bumpy road to success.
Right. No need to give it all that. Shut up. Fair point.
You're still in Amsterdam?
It's Amsterdam, isn't it?
It's Amsterdam.
Dave was fucking getting his feet.
Dave, you're getting your feet wet.
It's Dave on the documentary. Amsterdam, baby.
They're crying the house. 70. What have you been doing all weekend?
So Dave, how does it feel at
It's the worst. It's the worst job ever. It's so bad. It's so bad that I need to put these on and I need to do some tequila. That's how bad it is.
There you go, David boy.
I don't know what you mean by focus because it doesn't look like it's changing.
I'm going to know you again, but.
Right, we'll get that covered with face.
Just pay for the hookers tonight.
Yes, Dave. Dave, I'm here, man. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, this is. Dave.
Are you excited about the show tomorrow?
Can't fucking wait, man.
You're fan about
shit. Can't do this. It's going off guard.
Why do you love playing music in the Wolves?
Well, it's better than picking up loud. I suppose.
Are you still playing drums tonight?
Is that a rhetorical question? Some fucking playing the drums tonight, Dave.
Soundcheck, baby.
I come not quick on yesterday. Well, I have tried to go your way. I like you, but I was bound to find you. I'm so love-sick on ecstasy. Life for Christ, the price I'll pay. I like you, but I was bound to find you. Let's call it quits on this whole page, and my mind explodes in fits of rage. I like you, but I was bound to find you. You're lucky I love you. Lucky I love you. You're lucky I love you. Lucky I love you. When you're chained to a mirror, chained to a mirror, light reflects off of you. When you're chained to a mirror, chained to a mirror, I pull the shit, I push my day away. Well, I still chase the pain away. I like you, but I was bound to find you. You're lucky I love you. Lucky I love you. You're lucky I love you. Lucky I love you. When you're chained to a mirror, chained to a mirror,
Amazing, man.
Had a good time?
Business. Fucking broken, man. I'm a broke man.
Just your regular bit of plastic surgery.
Who the fuck is this bitch? Who the fuck is she? What the fuck kind of slack was that?
I'm on the highway to hell.
Brown, brown.
Gotta give it to you. You know exactly what you wanna be. You know exactly what you're gonna see. In the future, with your 5-year plan, you earn the reputation of a family man. No more recreation with your friends or fair. So you forgot about the bed and the plan. You're 25 already. You're 25 already. You're 25 already. 25. You got a house that's sweet. Your wife is now your lover. How sweet. Your wife is now a mother. How does that feel? Baby, tell me, how does that feel? City's loud out there. Working in the summer when my job goes.
Look at this guy's smile. The best smile in the world.
Dreaming by the good old days. Anyway, you're 25 already. You're 25 already. You're 25 already. 25. You're 25 already. You're 25 already. You're
Why do you actually put up with each other? Why do you like playing the music you play in the Wolves? How do you do it?
Fair question. That's a fair point, Dave.
Thank you for asking me those difficult questions of the week.
It's all part of it. It's supporting because you know what his goals is more than MD's, and you know where he wants to achieve and where he wants to aim for. So you want to help in any way possible. Like anything, it's got its ups and downs, but it's just looking at what can come of it eventually that makes it worthwhile.
Anything you want to say to the Wolves? You had a good time?
Amazing.
Anything you want to say to the Wolves?
Music's just cool, man. I can't say anything else.
It's definitely like a family, and you know that's the way it is. When we strangle each other 1 minute and then just hug it out the next, and that's the way it is. But that's the way it should be. So much passion, and that's what's the most important thing. The love of music and passion is what is important for the essence of a great band, and that is what they've got. So that's what makes me 100%, 150% behind it.
Artists are the poorest people in the world. It's never been any different. Artists make money when they die. That's it. And that's how we'll run.
Sweet and foul, sweet and foul. I'm not ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready to die.
That was it. Make something up then. We'll make something up.
I'm going to film Pat in hell.
Well, we came to Amsterdam. That's hell.
Woo! That's a wrap.